Hello everybody. In this tutorial we are going to see how we can customize the start menu of Windows 11. So this is the Windows 11 desktop. So here we can see the start menu. So when we click it, we can find a lot of application is shown in the pin section. It has two pages. So for the other applications we have to click on all apps icon here, and we can see all the other application installed on my system. But now what we can do is we are going to organize this pin section. So suppose that I do not use Microsoft Word, so I want to remove this from the pin section. So what we can do, we can right click on this and then select it, click on unpin from start. Then it has been moved, it has been removed from this pin section, but it has not been uninstalled. It is available and we can use it. Similarly, suppose that I do not use this Office application, then I have to right click and then unpin from start. So now I have figured out that no, I use the MS Word in frequently. So what I can do is all apps and then right click on this Word icon and then pin to start. This will bring back the Microsoft Word icon to my pinned application, but we do not find it here because it has been added in the lower portion of this pinned action. So what we can do is click on it and drag it to the top and place it wherever we want to place. Similarly, we can use the notepad. So this in this way we can organize our start menu in Windows 11. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.